guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, My B. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hair in this half up, half down style. It may seem simple, but a lot of people don't know how, so I'm going to be showing you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be featuring a wig that I got from Sogoodhair. This is the wig. It is a 20-inch, 150 density straight wig. I just kind of want to stand up a little bit because I'm still iffy on the 20 inches. I'm tall, and this comes right here. Like, it literally, like, when I turn around, comes down here. And I'm not short. I'm 5'9", so I don't know. Maybe they send me, you know, wrong length, or maybe their length is just length. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. It just seems kind of long on me. I don't know. Maybe it might be 20 inches. I'm not about to measure it. I'm not about to complain. I'm gonna just take what I got. So when I got this wig, it came in this box. It says Sogoodhair on there, and it came with an elastic band. It came with an elastic band and wig caps and a pair of lashes. These lashes are pretty nice. I feel like these are probably the ones that, like, this is probably like the best pair of lashes that I got with a wig. Like, usually they're like really bogus, but these are pretty nice. And the wig cap I probably won't use as a wig cap. I'll probably use it for something, but I use tan wig caps, but they sent a black one, so I'll probably use it for something, but just not, yeah. But I've had the wig now for about a month. I've been wearing it for about a month now, and it's so good. Like, it's so good. Like, I really like, this is my favorite wig right now, and I feel like I say that about every new wig I have, but no, this is really my favorite wig. Like, it's just like, it's so versatile. That's why I love it. It's so versatile. I've worn it so many different ways. I've worn it straight, middle part. I worn it curly, side part, curly, middle part. I wear it up. I wear it up in its natural state like this. I wear it up with wand curls. Like, it just can do whatever. Like, it's like it's a go-to wig. It's like, you know, you just need a wig. You just need a wig. Like, this is the wig to get. Like, this is it. It's definitely it. I highly recommend. So the hair itself, I get barely like any shedding at all. Literally, like, barely any shedding, and I've had it for a month now, and I've still not gotten any shedding. I've washed it a few times. Still bounces right back, looking right back healthy, still shiny, like, hasn't gotten dry, doesn't tangle. Like, it's just it. I highly recommend this wig. I do. And that's just that. The elastic band that I got, I didn't put it in because I do have a small head, but it has clips in it. Like, it has, like, you know, the straps. Is that what it's called? Yeah, straps in it. And I never put the elastic band in wigs because I'm lazy myself. But the straps, I always just, like, overlap the straps because my head is small, but it always works out fine. So that's what I do. The elastic band probably will put a little more grip onto the wig if you want to add that in. So when the wig came, the knots were already bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked. I did not bleach the knots over or nothing. Like, the knots are how they came, but I did pluck a little bit more into the hair because, you know, pre-plucked, it's probably pre-plucked for some, but it's not really, like, you know, I just like it to be like as natural as I can get it. So I always usually pluck some more, pre-plucked or not. So yeah, you might want to do that. It's really up to you, like, and like kind of how you want to wear it too. So you don't necessarily have to, but, you know, you could. The wig also came, I think it came with the middle part. Yeah, it came in the middle part straight. And it was like, the part, I think I plucked the part a little bit more, but the part was like it was pretty defined already. I just plucked it a little bit more. And just because it came with that pre-plucked part does not mean that you have to wear it in the middle part all the time, because as you can see, it is up. It is up. And you can't even, like, see, you know, where the part was plucked. So that doesn't mean that you necessarily have to wear it in the middle part. That's just how it comes. But yeah, like I said, I do recommend this wig, and I'm not just saying that, I really do recommend it. And if you want to go get you one, you can use my code MB10 and get you $10 off of that purchase, period. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. I'm gonna show you guys how I do this very simple half up, half down. Okay, so right now the hair is in its natural state. I washed it and let it air dry. For some reason, like when I do this style, I really like the natural look, so I'll either leave it like in its natural state like this, or I'll like put some wound curls in it. I don't really like it straight. Even though the wig is straight, I don't really like it straight when I do my hair half up, half down, because it's like not enough volume. So I like it to be in its natural state or with wound curls. So yeah, I'll probably leave it in its natural state today all day because I don't really feel the need to do any wound curls. I'm real casual today, like, so this will do just fine. So right now I have it up in the front some already just to get it. When I lay my frontal down, I like to have the hair back, so I always put a ponytail in it anyway. This looks like pretty much the hair that I'm gonna be having up. So let me make sure. Probably have a little bit more on this side up. And make sure this side is all up. So yeah, this is gonna be my hair that goes in the ponytail. So this may seem like a simple hairstyle, but like I feel like I have a couple of tips and tricks to help it look more natural. Like with a wig, putting it up in the front, it can still be very thick in the front. So for me to help with that, I use mousse. I don't know if everybody does it, but it does. A lot of people do, and it does help a lot. So I just like put mousse in the front. This is basically like what I use to style it, and so that it lays like that most of the rest of the time I want it to lay like that. Like it'll lay like this all day because of the mousse. Then I brush that through, and my wig is like pretty secure right now. Some days it's not as secure and it'll like kind of lift up, so it's hard to do. And I use like literally freeze spray, that's it, to lay down my wig. I don't use like Ghost Bond or Bold Hold or those like really strong ones, because I don't ever leave my wigs on for that long. I like for them to come off still. So I brushed through first with the wig brush. Now I'm just gonna go with a regular brush and really like flatten that. And I want my ponytail towards like the back. I don't want it like high today, because like I said, I'm going for like casual, super casual today. So yeah, I feel like the mousse really helps that lay down a lot, like, because wigs can be very thick and they can look like wigs, and I don't like my wigs to look like wigs. Make sure the ponytail's not to the side. Okay, so I feel like I got my hairline pretty good to where if I wanted to, I can just leave it like this. Like, I'm not a stylist or nothing, but like I'm just getting better and better with these frontals. Like, you know, it looks pretty good. I feel like I would confidently wear it just like this and feel confident. But my mirror's over here. I gotta kind of look around. That's why I'm looking over here. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna add a little baby hairs, because baby hairs is like the extra, like, baby hairs is like the parsley of the hairdo. Like, I don't know, you did that. It's over. Therefore, baby hairs it is. Okay, so I also use the mousse for my baby hairs. Mousse is like like a wig's best friend. Like, you wear wigs, you better have use some mousse, period. Cause I use mousse, like every time I lay my wig, I use mousse. So yeah, you're gonna need that. So I just like put some mousse onto the brush sometimes. Sometimes I put it right on, but put it on the brush kind of helps easier. So I just want like subtle baby hair, subtle like that. Cause I don't want nothing too dramatic right now. I try to do my baby hair subtle most days because it just looks more natural. You know, nothing too big, nothing too thick. Real sleek, real sleek. Like, that's cute, right? This is probably like, I don't know, I really like this wig. This wig is so versatile. I was gonna say this is probably my favorite way to wear this wig. But like, I don't know, it's so versatile that like, I literally could wear it so many ways, but like, this one is a hit. When I wear it straight, it's a hit. When I wear it, straight middle part, straight side part, curly middle part, curly side part, like, it's so versatile. Like, that's my favorite thing about this wig. And that's like, people ask me like, that's that same wig, or that's that same wig you had? Is that a new wig? Is that a different wig than the one you had? Like, yeah, that's the same wig, honey. Same wig. It does it all. Like, it does it all. Trust me. So yeah, I think this is it. Maybe I'll do like a wrap around my ponytail holder. Somebody's coming in. Yeah. So I just wrap that hair around so that it's cover the ponytail up, the ponytail holder up, and literally that is that. Like, it looks so natural. Like, this is perfect hairstyle for like hot summer day. Like, today is so hot, I didn't even want to do my makeup. I literally only did my makeup because I was doing this video. I really sat and debated, like, I can just do brows and lashes for the video, like, but since I'm doing another video and I haven't done a video in a while, I decided to just do the whole thing. But yeah, this is the final, I'm done. Like, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go for the day. I'm ready to go for, I could be doing anything right now. Like, I'm probably about to go to the lake or something. I can go to the bar. I can do whatever. This hairstyle is for whatever. If I want to get a little more fancy, I can add some more curls into this, but I probably won't because today I'm being very casual. So, natural state it is, and the natural state is still very cute, very healthy looking. It's like loose curl, has like a wave to it. So yeah, that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, let me know any other videos you guys would like to see from me.